So Stuart, you put this together, the Hummingbird in the Navy version, in 2 days. Tell me about your installation, please.
Sure. Well, the first thing I noticed was it's got a lot of vertical space. So instead of just keeping the one shelf down there, I put a second shelf in just to kind of free up some space so I can mount some things without mounting them to firewalls. The switches, I use the heavy duty switches I got from, I don't remember, online, but I just looked them up, and they're just charging port switches. So you can run your batteries into them, charge your batteries, and
you've got 3 switches on and off. What do they control?
yeah, absolutely. So one of them controls the ECU, one of them controls the receiver and the lights, and then the brakes.
All right, and I like your fueling system with an Intarco filter you got there. Very nice.
Yeah, got that from Mike. Gotta love that.
And how's she fly, the Hummingbird? Tell me.
Flies great, stable. Anybody who's just transitioning over from, say, a foamy or something, beginner, this would probably be a really good bet for them. It's not real stall friendly, you know, it doesn't stall a lot.
All right, how many flights so far on the Hummingbird?
11.
All right, so you're having fun.
It's good. Oh, tons of fun.
Good. So Mike, you went with the basic installation because of what's given to you, and you have plenty of room inside the Hummingbird. Let's take a tour inside. Show me what you got.
Sure. This version I have is the PMP. It's plug and play. So basically the factory has already installed the fuel tank. You see all the straps. I really like the straps. There's 2 tanks. You can either use it for the top one for smoke or use it as an auxiliary tank for your main tank. In these situations, I'm using it for the main tank, so I can get about 8 to 9 minutes flying time, and I still got about a quarter tank left. And then the rest of the stuff, I have the thrust vectoring options. So I have the servos installed at the factory. So what I did is just drop in the engine right there, and engine is optional.
I see you have an Intarco fuel filter right there, and you're running 3 receivers. Let's talk about that.
Yes, this is the Jetty 12-channel receiver, and because I need more than 12 channels, I need some for the lights, some for the gyro gain and so forth. So I add another receiver. That's a 3-channel receiver. It's 2.4 gig receiver, and I have this amazing 900. Let's move this one away. The 900 megahertz receiver as a backup. So let's say that if I get hit by anything, you know, radio interference on the first one, it'll go to this as a backup. And if this one also got hit again, it'll go to 900. So 900 megahertz is complete different band. So you have more safety to bring the plane home.
Very nice.
Yes, and all these 3D parts, you know, you can. If you buy one of these, well, we can send you the file for free, so you can just take out the file and print these 3D parts.
There's one on the fuel valve right there.
Yes, there's one right there. I like this one. You know, you can put a bolt through it, but I like to keep it flexible. So
very nice, and of course the brake gyro, which gives you the smooth stop.
Yes, yes. As you can see, the landing, all that.
AG63.
Yeah, I wasn't struggling trying to keep it straight. You know, this one does it for you.
The Hummingbird is beginning to prove itself as a very nice jet.
Yes, it's a very nice, well-rounded.